How to fix can't log in to Roblox. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you have to go to roblox.com. Now, one of the reasons why you are having problem log into Roblox is because maybe you put the wrong information. Okay, so before you log into your Roblox, you have to make sure that you have remember your account, your username and your passwords are both correct. Now, if you forgot it and if you're not sure about this one, then you can reset your username and also your password. What you're going to do is to simply click this forget password or username, tap this one, and then it will take you directly to this. Now, you can simply enter your email address to reset your password. So type your email address here and then click submit. Okay. And if you want to use your username, you can also type that and then click submit. Or you can use your phone number. Okay. So region, country, and then type your phone number and then click submit. And then they will send you something like a code or instruction on how to change your password. Okay. Then once you're sure about this, once you are sure with your username, your information, or once everything is changed, then you can go back to Roblox and then type your new information here, your new email address, your new password, and that's it. Now, another thing is that if you forgot everything, then try to log in different username here and then log in your password. Another way to help you to fix can't log in issues to Roblox is to simply go to Roblox server status. Okay, so tap that one. And then here you will find out if there is something wrong with Roblox today. So as you can see, everything is okay here. Last 2023, September 6th, Roblox encountered some problems, but at this very moment, there is no issues at all. So it's pretty clear that you can just log into your Roblox without any issues. Next is go to your settings. You just have to tap the three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security. And then here, you just have to tap this clear browsing data and choose to clear your browsing data for the last 1 hour, 7 days. It's up to you. And then click clear data. By doing this, somehow, I hope it will fix your problem logging into Roblox. Okay, and then next we have here is to simply disable VPN. To do that, go to VPN settings. And then if you have installed VPN here, all you have to do is disconnect. You just have to disconnect that one. Okay, so never ever connect any VPNs whenever you are logging into your Roblox if you encounter some problems. So just turn it off or disconnect that one. And then lastly, to avoid having problems logging into the Roblox is to disable all extensions. So after doing that, I hope that this will fix your problem. Can't log into Roblox. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.